NIO, one of China's leading electric vehicle manufacturers, has just unveiled its much-anticipated affordable EV brand, Firefly. The first model under the Firefly brand is an innovative, compact electric hatchback, designed to make high-end electric vehicles accessible to a much broader audience. With a starting price of just 148,800 yen in China, the Firefly is poised to make a splash in global markets, including Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America, offering an exciting new option for those seeking a stylish and eco-friendly city car. The Firefly is a bold move by NIO, aimed at catering to a segment of the market that seeks small, practical, and affordable electric cars without compromising on design and technology. The brand, Firefly, is positioned below NIO's main line of electric cars, as well as the Onvo, in terms of features, size, and pricing. Its primary goal is to target city dwellers who want an efficient, zero-emission vehicle that can easily navigate busy urban environments. By entering the budget-friendly corner of the EV market, Firefly hopes to bring high-quality electric mobility to a much wider range of consumers. One of the first things that catches your eye about the Firefly is its distinctive design. The exterior has been crafted by Chris Thomasson, a designer with a background at BMW and Ford, giving the Firefly an undeniably modern and sleek look. While the hatchback may remind some of the discontinued Honda E, it brings a unique flair of its own. Notable features include a black finished roof, matching pillars, and most strikingly, a three-piece circular LED headlight and taillight design that evokes the appearance of iPhone cameras, an eye-catching and futuristic design choice that sets the Firefly apart in a crowded market. The Firefly also boasts a number of other design details that make it stand out, such as flush door handles for a more streamlined look and a set of stylish six-spoke wheels. The exterior surfaces of the car are clean and minimal, creating an aesthetic that is both modern and functional. Additionally, the lower part of the body features plastic cladding made from sustainable materials, highlighting Firefly's commitment to eco-friendliness. While NIO has yet to release the precise dimensions of the vehicle, the Firefly is expected to compete with other small urban EVs like the BYD Dolphin, Citroën E-C3, Fiat Grande Panda, and Renault 5. On the inside, although specific images are yet to be revealed, spy shots have shown a minimalist dashboard that leans toward the modern tech aesthetic, with a Tesla-style infotainment touchscreen and a digital instrument cluster. The Firefly is also expected to have an impressive amount of storage space for a compact hatchback. It features a 92-liter front trunk, larger than what's typically found in most EVs, and an impressive boot that expands up to 1,250 liters, 44 cubic feet, when the rear seats are folded flat. The Firefly also comes equipped with a multi-scene automatic parking assist function, which should make parking in tight urban spaces much easier. With a tight turning circle of just 9.4 meters, the Firefly promises to be an agile and maneuverable car, ideal for city living. As for safety, the Firefly has been designed to score a 5-star rating in both the CNCAP and Euro NCAP tests, thanks to a strong body structure composed of high-strength steel and aluminum, 83.4% of the body. It also comes with 9 airbags and double anti-collision beams in the front doors to ensure maximum safety. One of the most interesting features of the Firefly is its swappable battery system. NIO has long been known for its battery swapping technology, and the Firefly will carry this forward with a smaller, yet still highly functional, battery. Although the battery pack won't be compatible with NIO's existing battery swapping stations, it remains a forward-thinking feature that sets the Firefly apart from traditional EVs. Despite the excitement surrounding the Firefly, details about the exact range and motor specifications are still under wraps. However, it's expected that the Firefly will provide enough range for daily urban commuting, with NIO targeting a wide range of customers in urban areas. The Firefly is currently available for pre-order in China, and deliveries are set to begin in April 2025. Europe can expect the Firefly to launch in the first half of 2025, with a slightly higher price point. In the coming years, NIO plans to expand the availability of Firefly EVs to 25 countries by the end of 2025, making this affordable and stylish electric hatchback available to a global audience. The Firefly's attractive price point, combined with its unique design and features, is sure to make it a popular choice among eco-conscious drivers looking for an affordable and stylish EV solution.